Hold on.
No, I'm
Hey
using
everybody,
that.
welcome
You're
to
using the
another
base-
board
the baseball bat to be
smashing
stronger.
video.
Yeah, I know.
Today we're going to be board smashing this
Alarm clock.
radio. I think it was valuable, but I couldn't find it, so I couldn't find the price. So they just threw it out that window over there. You guys are irresponsible. So anyways, I guess they're going to break it. I have no part in this. I'm just recording. Alright, let's go.
Third. Fine. I didn't get hit on. Oh! Keep on breaking it. Don't stop. You help me. Just break it.
The camera needs
Together.
to focus.
Come on, we break it together. Oh! Stop! Stop! Look at that thing, guys! So that's basically a little bit of it. It's like the button clickers where you click the button. And this is the chips. This is the alarm clock right now. Watch out.
Ooh, to be honest, it broke easier than the 3DS.
To be honest, we found a speaker. We found a speaker in our alarm clock. It's a big speaker.
We need a speaker. Don't break it.
Hold up, mop.
Mop time, mop time, mop time.
Oh, stop. This might be wet, guys.
Mop up the debris.
Might be wet.
Oh, anybody get hit with some water?
Yes, me.
All right, let's go. Let's
Come on,
do it.
come on, come on. Watch out. Oh!
Oh, no, hit it.
Freak, I got some on me. Let me try this. Let me get it over. That's it. Stop.
Oh my God,
Now we go get the
silver thing.
Now we go get the big boys. Come on.
Just show them the silver thing. And guys, we broke a DS.
I did.
Yeah, he broke a DS.
Alright, now we're gonna go get the big boys.
Come on, broke that.
Come on.
Ah, man, boy. We broke that boy.
No, don't step on it.
I'm gonna come to the spot.
After we're done, let's film us just jumping on the trampoline if the video is in over 10 minutes.
Okay.
Can you use any violent stuff?
We broke a
We're
car.
not gonna use a live drum. Come. We're not gonna use this. That Isaiah got. One of his friends gave him this kind of stuff. Can you believe that?
Like, no knives.
Yeah, no kind of
Right.
stuff.
They
like
gave
that.
him a knife. What the?
Yeah, they give him stuff like that. It's illegal to give people that now.
Oh, there's your gun.
What?
Nothing.
He didn't give that.
Yeah, I put it in there for a reason.
Nah, I'm pretty sure, someone put it in there so
you
you
get
stop
the side
shooting
one.
people.
This is your one.
Oh, and the bat goes back in, right?
Yeah.
This bad boy.
Don't use it yet. Don't use it yet. Look what I am using. I wish we had a machete, bro.
Oh my God.
I use that. I use that every day. I'll probably cut off somebody's head with a machete.
Hurry up.
Alright, come on. Let's do this.
Yes, on the top, guys.
Alright, guys.
Let's
I know,
do
go.
this.
Let's see if I can break it.
Wait. Oh, you gotta try.
This is like a routine now.
Breaking stuff.
Yeah, we usually just like
Guys,
break
this is
it,
heavy.
go up here,
Guys,
use
this
an
is
axe,
heavy.
use a
You want
sledgehammer,
switch?
and that
Yeah.
go back,
Alright, give me this. Let me show
go
you
back
how
to the back, and
Yo, these people
finish
took
off the
shopping
video.
cart.
Yeah, I know for Fortnite.
Breaking.
Oh, I need to break that thing.
Oh, that thing's hard. I don't think
That's
we can
what she said.
Oh,
Oh, cement. Break that cement.
My
imagine
neck.
like it's sexy. Like that's what she said. That's hard. Oh, I'm breaking it. I'm destroying that boy. I crushed it. So this is basically what we did. And just show them what pieces on the floor. This is basically.
I'm gonna break
this.
Alright, guys.
Oh, I'm gonna break it. Hold on. Stop.
Guys, stop. Guys, stop. I gotta tell you something. Get rid of all like the small pieces and the pieces that you aren't going to break, and bring them to the back to dump in the sandbox. Because we can't let, or just push it onto the cart. Because we can't let Mom know that we were smashing this.
Oh yeah. Come on, we gotta take these weapons away really quickly.
Yep, in there.
Alright then, everybody carry like some pieces and bring it back to the back.
Now we're gonna jump on the trampoline, guys.
Hold up, no. No. Hold up. This board smashing video isn't over.
Yeah, it's not over, guys.
All right.
Alright, come on. take
Everybody grab some pieces.
Yo, I can grab a whole wire. And then I can grab a whole... Can I just
Jonathan?
push the glass under there from the next one? Or the
Yeah.
other one?
Oh, there's actual glass.
Yeah, that's from the glass.
Ah.
Alright, any little pieces, just try to sweep it under the car.
Any little pieces sweep under the car.
As if we can't pick it up.
What's this thing?
Hurry up,
The
sweep
card, guys.
the card.
Oh.
You covering the...
I know.
Alright, come on. We can't
No
let
evidence.
we can't let Milo and Natalie see
Go.
this.
Let's go.
Guys,
Let's go.
no evidence in this
Shut
video.
up. Jonathan.
There's no evidence that we
Shut
really
up.
did it.
It's still recording.
Oh.
And so I gotta do. And so after we upload this video, I gotta delete it.
Why?
I mean, on Ma's like thing.
Why?
No
Some
evidence.
put in there, guys. Some put in there. And I'm gonna show
The
you what
pool
I...
of dead technologies.
This was from another one, which I destroyed in an RC car. Which this is the top of an RC car. It's pretty sick, right?
Okay, guys,
Tire.
this video ain't over yet. It's only been like 6 minutes, so we gotta pad out the runtime, you know, to get that ad revenue. To get that ad revenue, boys. All right. So, anyways, hashtag sellout. Cough noise. But yeah, we're just gonna jump into something now.
Guys, this is so fun.
Yeah.
Show the gravity on this thing.
I'm trying to hide.
What's slow-mo? What's slow-mo?
I can't.
Why? Oh.
This is on an iPad, not an actual camera. This is on an iPad, not an actual camera.
You guys ready? On, move. Everybody moves inside.
Oh my God.
Let me show you how it's done. I'll even hold the camera while doing it.
Go.
Move back, Jonathan.
Go.